Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. Let's color together. Can you guess the color? Orange color. Very good. Excellent. Now it's dark blue. Perfect. Awesome. Guess the color now. Be louder. Yes, exactly, red color. Now it is pink color. Blue color. Wow. And yeah, now it's yellow color. You are really awesome. Wonderful. Now orange and red color. Looks so vibrant. You're doing really amazing. I like it. Almost done. Superb. Count how many balls are there. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Great job.